Hello out there and welcome to Peter's online tutor. Today we shall be looking at mathematics. Now we have a question on the board. X squared plus xy plus y squared equals to find dy dx. How do we solve this question? Let us go. Solution. Now let's have the question again. X squared plus xy plus y squared equals to. Okay, so now how do we solve this question? Now, this is x squared, okay? So, x power of x here is 2. So, you bring it down, as usual. I'm differentiating. Now, rewrite the equation again. That is x squared, okay? And then you subtract what? 1. Am I communicating? Why? You are differentiating. Now, plus, I'm having xy, okay? So, I'm going to be applying what's product through here. So, I will leave x. I will differentiate y. If you differentiate y, you are going to get dy dx. Is that clear? Plus, now I will not differentiate x and leave y. Differentiate x, you're going to get 1, then you leave y. Is that clear? Good. Then plus differentiate y squared. Highest power of y here is what? Is 2. So you bring it down. Write the equation again. You subtract 1. Now because it is y, so I'll be having here as what? Dy dx equals, this is a constant 2. So we differentiate the constant, you're going to get 0. Is that clear? Good. So I'm having 2x. 2 minus 1 is 1 plus x dy dx plus, now 1 times y is y, okay, plus there is 2y. 2 minus 1 is 1 dy dx equals what? Equals 0. Okay, good. Now I want to collect like terms here, so I'll bring together dy dx. Okay, so I'm having x dy dx plus 2y dy dx. Now look at this. This does not have the y dx. This does not have the y dx, so I can bring them to the other side of the equation. So I'm going to be having minus 2x. Okay, then plus y goes there, it becomes minus what? Y. Is that clear? Now, I want to bring out dy dx, okay, because it's common. So I'm going to be having dy dx, okay. Now, brackets open, x is left here, then 2y is left here. Is that clear? Equals, now, I'm having minus 2x minus what? Minus y. Is that clear? Good. So now, dividing both sides by x plus 2y, both sides by x plus 2y, so that dy dx stands alone. So this cancels this. So at the end of the day, I'll be having dy dx equals, now take note of this, minus is common here, so I can bring out the minus sign, okay? So I'm having 2x, all right, plus y, don't forget, 2x plus y over x plus 2y. So this is what our answer. Is that clear? Thank you.